Riders and even Montreal's mayor have voiced concerns about security issues in metros. Now the STM has released numbers that help us understand how serious the problem really is.
We're faced with something that is not our real mandate. Our real mandate is to offer a transit system across Montreal. And now we have to deal with a social crisis.
STM constables were confronted with 26,300 cases of problematic behavior and incivility in 2024, a 40% increase from the previous year.
We want to maintain an environment of respect, and it's really hard because, I mean, sometimes we're close to losing control between the different type of clients and between drug users and homeless people. So we need to have more support. People need to look at what we need because we're the last resort actually, and it's not supposed to be the case.
In 2024, STM employees accompanied 12,124 people outside when the metro stations closed.
Services are overflowing, so it's natural that as an STM member is trying to relocate someone into a shelter, say at 2 o'clock in the morning, there might not be enough space, but we do collaborate together in order to take these people in as much as we can.
All right, sir. Drugs are another problem on the rise. Since 2022, interventions by STM constables related to overdoses have doubled every year, hitting 47 in 2024. For the first month of 2025, there's already been 12.
So people come within the metro thinking they will be safe, that they could use their drugs, and if they have any kind of overdose, that will be quick to react, and we have naloxone, but that's not the case.
The STM and the city are calling on the province for help.
We know that with homelessness, there's also maybe drug use or maybe mental health issues. That's the reality. We want the premier to come in our boroughs and to feel the pressure that we feel, because a lot of our citizens are like, we want to be good to homeless people, but at the same time, I don't feel safe, or there's this happening in my back street.
Affordable housing, affordable and adapted housing on long-term measures, and that's something that can definitely cure the current problem.
The Office of Quebec's Social Services Minister said in a statement, Montreal will be receiving nearly half of the $50 million deal with Ottawa to address homelessness over the next 2 years. It says the money will go to supporting housing projects, local services, and shelter spaces.